Alrighty, Chris, here's your 347 small block Ford. Just going to run that, give you a description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. Got your Victor Jr manifold, SS650 foot fuel, MSD Pro Billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Beautiful built Specialties front end. Take you in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, 3,500, 393 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak's torque 432. Peak's horsepower 484. Rated 500, front end's about 20, so everything's good. We'll get her off there, give it a crate, come your way. Have a great day.